Hello KUNOMAILers and welcome to a new short video tutorial. In our today's video tutorial, I want to show you a new function in KUNOMAIL.Connect. This is the function Share My KUNOMAIL Elements. You just have to click here on this icon and now you have the possibility to share your pictures, your letter templates, your greeting cards, your pictures, your images with other persons. So you just click here, for example, on letter templates, then my own, and then you can share your own letters. It's only possible for your own elements, not for the elements you have bought in our online shop. It doesn't matter if you bought it for money or for €0, for example. All elements, all letter templates and greeting cards from the online shop you can't share because these are items you have bought, and this is not possible to share this with other people. I want to show it to you here. For example, if you're in winter, you have here a letter template. It's not possible to share this template. Okay, here my own. Then you just click it and then share KUNOMAIL elements. Then you have the question, would you like to share the select elements now? Just click yes. And here is my partner. It's Tom. And I share this element with Tom. On the other side, Tom sent me an email. Sorry, Tom sent me an item, a letter. I just have to click on this letter. I have to give a folder name for this element. For example, I just write down Andrew Tom share and then click next. So then it's saved in my Media Central, and I can share these items, all items I have here now from Tom, with other persons. I can use Tom's items and so on. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this little video. Please give us a feedback, and we wish you a nice Sunday and greetings from Berlin, your KUNOMAIL team. Bye bye.